Hello everyone, my name is Nick McMahon. I'm joining you here today from the CommsDay Wholesale Congress here in Melbourne, one of Australia's top telecommunications events. I'm at the Adtran stand and I'm joined by Ben Liu. Good morning, Ben. Ben, I've noticed something quite interesting on the Adtran stand this morning. Could you talk us through what you have on show here?
Sure thing. Morning, Nick. What we have here is Adtran's latest 6400 series OLT. It's a 50 gig PON OLT, and we've got a pretty special setup here at CommsDay today where we're running a live demo with our triple combo technology.
Wow, Ben, that sounds pretty special indeed. Could you show us a little bit more about what this demonstration involves?
Yes, of course. So what we have here are three different ONTs. We have here our GPON ONT, our XGS PON ONT, and of course our 50 gig PON ONT. And just behind you, we have a screen showing a live traffic generator, where we actually have all three technologies passing traffic concurrently over the same OLT port. This is what Adtran calls triple combo technology, as it allows all three technologies to coexist over the same fiber.
What are the benefits of Adtran's SDX 6400 triple combo capability?
So Adtran recognizes there are many already deployed PON networks out there today, running GPON and XGS PON. We've taken a disaggregated architecture approach, which allows our customers to very quickly, cost-effectively, and in a non-disruptive way, add new technology and new capacity to their networks. As you can see here, the SDX 6400 series OLT is very compact. It's only 1 RU. Our disaggregated architecture combined with triple combo technology really allows our customers to add a 5 times to 20 times uplift in their capacity in a non-disruptive way.
That's really exciting, Ben. That 5 times and 20 times capacity uplift is pretty significant.
Yes, I'm excited too, Nick. So what Adtran has done is we've aligned ourselves to GPON, XGS PON, and 50 gig PON technologies for our triple combo implementation. And what this means is we're implementing standards-based, non-proprietary technologies, and this allows our customers future certainty as well as ensuring that there's no lock-in. With a 5 times uplift in the case of XGS PON or a 20 times uplift in the case of GPON, we're really future-proofing networks for bandwidth-heavy applications such as AI, virtual reality, as well as augmented reality. And we're also providing a very viable and cost-effective approach to deploying mobile backhaul services as well as business services compared to traditional point-to-point based approaches. We're already seeing strong demand for our SDX 6400 series OLT with multiple trials happening globally, as well as we actually have a live customer in the UK who's deployed 50 gig services in their network today. So as you can see here, Nick, this is not an experiment or something that we're conducting in a lab. 50 gig PON has well and truly arrived.
Hey Ben, that's fantastic. Thanks for showing us what Adtran's been doing with 50 gig PON this morning.
Thank you, Nick.